So it's hard to tell when you're going through this, because this is the max, that mill cut. Well, not the max it'll cut. You shouldn't say that. But this is 2 foot, this is 24 inches right here, which they say is the max it'll cut. It'll cut a little bit more than that, but anyway. This is the max cut for that LT35. So it's hard to tell when your blades, if it's your blade that's dull and you're just grinding through that, or if it's just because the saw doesn't be carried away, or if it's just hard ass wood. I'm gonna change that blade. Sharpen them myself. I don't mind changing it. There's absolutely no wave in it. It probably looks like it. It probably looks like wave right there. It looks like it to me. But with that glare on it, probably looks like wave, but there's no wave in that. That's a flat board. It sure didn't like this knot up here. Set still just fine. The set in it's not bad. But I don't need to go fast. I don't need to, run through this at 90 miles an hour. I'm in no hurry, but I'm also in no hurry to burn up that blade. As soon as I think it's dull, I'm changing it. It may not even be dull because I didn't change it that long ago. So it may not be that dull, but I'm gonna change it and sharpen it. I got a brand new stone on the grinder, and I'm gonna sharpen it, and just to be sharpening it, just in case. I'd rather get one more sharpening out of it than grind it till it's hot and not any good anymore. And then we'll come back in, just take off another slab. One at a time. This is actually the same blade, I just sharpened it. It's getting worn down too. This will definitely be the last use of this blade. It may not even make that. May not even make this.